How to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max camera focus issue. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the camera focus issue on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's dive in. First, open your camera, and if you're facing the focus issue, just flip your phone and clean the lens of your camera. That's the first step. If the lens is clean and you're still facing the issue, simply go to the settings on your iPhone and now scroll down, and then you have to just search for the camera option. Go to the camera option and just reset the settings. First, you have to see if the camera control is turned on. Just see clean preview should be turned on. It allows the camera control to hide app control when lightly pressed. And here is an option that says lock focus and exposure. You have to turn it on. Once you turn it on, the focus issue should be resolved. And if it's still not, just go back and see if your phone needs an update. Just scroll up, and here you will see this option general. Click it. And here you have to click software update. And now you simply have to just update your phone. My phone is up to date. Then go back, and if you're still facing the issue, just reset your phone. You have to go to the general option, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom. And on the bottom, you'll see this option, transfer or reset iPhone. Click it, and then click reset. And now you have to click reset all settings. It is going to reset all the settings, including the camera ones. And once you reset your phone, you'll see the camera focus issue is resolved. And that's how you resolve your camera focus issue on iPhone 16 Pro Max.